I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy, and this is what's happening for the week of August 22nd at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Mandy, where are we?
Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. I haven't paid much attention to our orchard back here that we planted about 5 years ago, but this pear tree is full of pears, and we've got apple trees down there.
Lots of
that
delicious
are
fruit.
becoming very appley. So if you're around and you just need like a little apple break, come and pick one off the tree. It's for everybody.
It is for everybody.
And I wanted to let you guys know, have you guys ever heard about the Fitchburg Senior Center Friends? You probably have, but if you haven't, it's a group of 15 people that have been working hard since 1979 to fundraise for the Senior Center. And we love our friends.
We do. They help with all sorts of things.
All sorts of things. And you could be a member of the Friends if you wanted to. There might be some positions opening up, so keep your eyes peeled for that. The UW medical students are giving a lecture on how to prevent falls on September 1st, so don't miss it. Amy, what do you know?
Coming in September, the 13th and the 20th, both at 10:30, is a great program called Brain and Body Fitness. This session will help you learn tools for strengthening both your health and well-being, so you don't want to miss that. And then one of our volunteers, Mary, has been working so hard to put together a card making class. We had a very large donation of all sorts of supplies from a card making kit, and she's going to be here on August 26th at 12:15 until 2:30, so sign up for that. And then new members are always welcome in the Active Women's Group.
Yes.
And that happens once a month on a Tuesday, so don't miss it.
Right on. Hey, Amy, what's the meal of the week?
The meal of the week is Friday, August 26th. It's barbecued ribs, woo-hoo, cheesy potatoes, and pickled beets.
And I think there's also sherbet.
All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's always hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Or in the orchard.